Counter.most_common returns tied elements in unpredictable order. Your unit tests will fail. Here's how to fix it in one line. Imports the counter class from Python's collections module, which provides a convenient way to count hashable objects like words in a list. Imports the largest function from the heap module, which efficiently retrieves the top n elements based on a comparison key. Imports the operator module to access function equivalents of built-in operators, specifically used here to extract dictionary values via itemgetter. Assigns a space-separated string of fruit names to the variable text, where repeated words will be counted later. Splits text into a list of individual words and passes it to Counter, which tallies occurrences and stores them as a dictionary-like, mapping each word to its count. Calls most_common 3 on the counter to retrieve the top 3 entries by frequency. This method returns items in descending count order but treats equal counts arbitrarily, hence labeled unstable. Uses largest to select the 3 items from counter.items, sorted by value in descending order, using itemgetter 1 as the key function. This preserves original insertion order for ties, making the result deterministic and stable. Use heapq.nlargest with a key to guarantee stable ordering on ties. Subscribe for daily coding videos.